तो हाय स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 6.3 लीनियर इक्वेशन और इसमें जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं मैं इस वीडियो में सारे सॉल्व कर दूंगा ताकि आप लोगों को ठीक से समझ में आ जाए। ओके। अक्सर होता यह है कि जब हम बोर्ड पे सॉल्व करते हैं तो एक बार इरेज होने के बाद में आप लोग पूछते हैं तो हमें फिर से वो करना पड़ता है। तो आज एक छुट्टी का मौका है, सरप्राइज वेकेशन है, तो मैं ये वीडियो बना दे रहा हूँ इस एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर। ओके। तो एक्सरसाइज 6.3 हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, फॉर्म एन इक्वेशन हैविंग सॉल्यूशन p इज इक्वल टू 1/5। मैं बुक को अपने सामने ही रख लेता हूं। हमें एक इक्वेशन बनानी है जिसमें सॉल्यूशन करने पे अपने पास जो आंसर आए वो क्या आए, p इज इक्वल टू 1/5। तो इस क्वेश्चन के कई सारे आंसर हो सकते हैं। ओके। तो हमारे पास में जो सॉल्यूशन इस वक्त हम ले सकते हैं वो हो, देखिए हमें अपॉन में चाहिए और ये है हमारा रिक्वायर्ड आंसर, p इज इक्वल टू 1/5। ये वाला पार्ट हमें चाहिए। ठीक है। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम एक इक्वेशन बनाते हैं। लेट से 15p इज इक्वल टू 3। ओके। जब आप इस इक्वेशन को सोल्व करते हैं तो देखिए आपको क्या मिलता है, 3/15, यानी कि 3 1 जा 3 एंड 3 5 जा 15। तो हमें ये सोल्व करके नहीं दिखाना है, हमारा आंसर तो यहीं पे हो गया है। बस मैंने ये क्रॉस चेक करवाया कि देखिए हमारा आंसर 1/5 आ रहा है एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इसके बाद हम शिफ्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, 2/5 ऑफ अ नंबर इज 16, व्हाट इज द नंबर। तो अब मुझे नंबर ही नहीं पता। तो मैथ्स में जब भी हमें नंबर नहीं पता होता है देन वी assumed it as a x। ओके। और you can assume it any variable like a b c d till z। okay, but z is very common, so I'm assuming it as a let the number b is equal to what, x. Now the question is 2/5 of that number. Okay, so I'm writing here according to question 2/5 of number is equal to what, 16. Okay, now that number is what, x. So instead of writing 2 by instead of writing number, I will write here x, and here of will be replaced by multiply. Okay, and number is x, that is equal to 16. Now we will shift the number 16, I will write as it is. Now this denominator part will go in the numerator and the numerator part will go in the denominator. Okay. Now 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. So this is x is equal to 8 and multiply by 5 and 8 5 ja 40. So this is the number that about which we were talking. Okay. So I'm writing here. So the number is 40. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number sorry, that's not question number 3. Actually, as per our book, this was our question number 3. Let me correct it. And this is question number 4. Okay. And this is question number 5. Let me erase and write it properly. And this is our question number 5. Okay. Now, Supriya asked Nidhi to think of a number. Now, there are two girls. First one is Supriya and second one is Niti. Okay. Now, Supriya asked Niti that think of a number. Okay. Now, she has think a number. Let's assume it again one more time that she has thought that it is X. Okay. So Supriya has asked to Niti that think of a number. So Niti has assumed it as a x. Okay. Now then she asked double it. Now when we are doing the double of it, we are doing it multiply. So I'm writing here 2x. Okay. And add 5 to it. Okay. She is doing it. She has added 5 to it. 5 to it, and the result was 21. The result is what? 21. So this is the formation of equation as per the question. Okay, now let's do it fairly. Let the number assumed by that girl named as Niti be X. Okay, then according to question, double of the number, then 2x, add 5 to it, plus 5, and the result is what? 21, 21, sorry. Then what is the number? So we have to solve this further. So I'm shifting 5 to that side, 21 minus 5, and it will give me what? 16. X will remain here, and this is divided by 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So x is equal to 8 is our answer, and this is the number that Niti thought about. Okay. So number was 8. Okay. Now we are taking next question, that is question number 6. A smaller number is subtracted from a bigger number. The result is 25. If the bigger number is 78, okay, in this question they have said that the bigger number is 78, okay, and we are subtracting a smaller number from the bigger number. Now we don't know that what is the smaller number. So again, same line, let the smaller number be x. Okay, now we are doing what? 78 minus x. Okay, now let's read the question again. Question number 6. A smaller number is subtracted from a bigger number. So bigger number is 78 and a smaller number is x. Okay, the result is 25. So the result is what? 25. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are shifting x to the other side. And we are bringing this number to this side. Okay, now let me remove this. Now 78 minus 25 is equal to what? X. So 8 minus 5 will give you 3, and 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So x. So this is the number that is what? Smaller. So our answer will be, so smaller number is 53. Now we are moving towards the next question, that is question number 7. Okay, if 3 is subtracted from 1 by 3 of a number, the result is 2. Again, we are talking about a number, and that number we have to find. So first we will do what? Let the number be x. Okay, then I'm writing here according to question. Okay, according to question, 3 is subtracted from 1 by 3 of a number. 1 by 3 of a number. Then वो 1 by 3 of a number मतलब 1 by 3, let me write it, of a number. Okay, let's put a bracket here, and how much they are subtracting? 3, and the result is what? 2. Okay, now we will continue with this 1 by 3. Instead of writing off, I'm writing multiply, and the number is what? X. Okay, so we are writing here x, and we will write here minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so eventually it will become x upon 3. X 1 ja x, and there was nothing, so there was a 1. So 3 1 ja 3. Minus 3 plus 2. Okay, now this will become x upon 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. I am sending this 3 to the other side. Okay, so here x upon 3 is equal to what? 5, and I'm writing here x is equal to, then what it will become? 5 multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 15, and this is our answer. Okay, so the number is what? X. So number is x, and x is what? 15. So number is 15. Okay, this is our answer. Now next question, that is question number 8. Okay, one third of a number exceeds one sixth of the number by 4. See, there is a number. Okay, again, see, in this question they are asking every time that find that number, and that number is x. You can assume it as a y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever. Okay, so again in this question I have to find a number. So first I'm writing let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, according to question, we will form an equation. According to question, okay, one third of a number. So one third of a number will become 1 by 3 multiplied by x. Okay, one third of a number exceeds. Exceed means it is greater. Okay, exceeds one sixth of a number. So I'm doing the one sixth of the same number. Okay, and it is exceeding by 4. So if I'll subtract 1 by 3 of x and 1 by 6 of x, what I'm getting? 4, because this number is exceeding. 1 by 3 of x is exceeding. It means it is greater than the 1 by 6 of a x. Now let's read it one more time from the book, question number 8. One third of a number exceeds one sixth of the number by 4. So if I subtract both the number, my result will be what? 4. Okay, so I'm doing here subtraction. Before that, let me write it in proper way. X1 ja x and 3 will come as it is, and again x1 ja x and 6 will come as it is. Now 4, here we have to take the LCM, so 6 will be my LCM. 3 2 ja 6, and if there is nothing, there is a 1, there is nothing, there is a 1. So 3 2 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2, and x will come as it is. 6 1 ja 6 and 1 1 ja 1, and x will come as it is. Okay, now this is 4. Okay, in the next step, 2x minus 1x will give you 1x, and 4 multiplied by 6. This 6 is going that side, so it will go in the multiplication. And this time I'm writing only x, and my answer will be 4 6 ja 24. So that number is what? 24. Okay, now moving to the next question, let me write here. So number is 24. Okay, next question, that is question number 9. Okay, divide 84 into two parts such that 1 by 3 of one part is equal to the 1 by 4 of the other part. Now let's write it in a flow chart form. This is my number 84. I'm dividing it into two parts. This is my first part. This is my second part. Okay, let's remove this word part. This is my second. Okay, number. Now I don't know that is my first part and what is my second part. So one of the part I have to assume first. Okay, so here I'm writing let the first part be x. Okay, then second part will be 84 minus x. Okay, अब इस कंसेप्ट को हमें समझना होगा कि सर ये 84 माइनस एक्स कैसे लिखा. For example, you are having rupees 10 and I'm dividing it into two parts. Okay, one part is 3, then what will be the next part? Second part 7. How you got it? 10 minus 3. So here 84 is the total number, one part is x, then the second part will be what? 84 minus x. Now according to question, what we are doing, question number 9. Okay, 1 by 3 of the one part. Now we are doing the first parts 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 multiplied by x is equal to the 1 by 4 of the second part. That is what? 84 minus x. Okay, now in the next step, this has become x upon 3 And I'm not multiplying this 1 by 4 with the bracket because there is a 1 and I'll send this 4 at the other side. So this denominator will go in the numerator. Okay. That I will do in the next step. Right now I'm writing it as it is 1 by 4 84 minus x. Okay. So this will be what? 4x upon 3 because this time I'm sending this 4 at the other side. Now it is in denominator, or we can say it is in divide, and when it will go at the other side it will be in numerator or in multiply. Okay, so this is 4x upon 3. Now when we have nothing, there is a dot that I have made it here. Now if you multiply 84 minus x with the 1, you will get the same number. So I'm writing here 84 minus x as it is. Okay, now what you will do, you will shift this x to this side. Okay, so I'm doing it 4x upon 3, and this will become plus x is equal to 84. Okay, I'm making a line here so that we can solve it here. Now I have to take the LCM, and my LCM will be 3, and see if there was nothing, there is a 1. LCM is 3. For this, from this 3 1 ja 3 and 4 1 ja 4, so you will get 4x plus table of 1, this one for the 3 times and multiply with the x, so 3x you will get, and this is 84. Okay, now 4x and 3x will give you what? 7x. Okay, and 84 multiply 3, I'm writing, I have sent this 3 at that side and it will go in the multiplication. Okay, now I'm keeping x this side only, and I'm not multiplying 84 and 3. I'm keeping them as it is. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So this will be x is equal to 12 multiplied by 3. Okay, I'm having less space, so I'm shifting to the next slide. So what we are having left, 12 multiplied by 3, and 12 3 ja 36 is my answer. Okay, now this is not my final answer. I have to find out first part. Okay, first part, that is what? X. So x is what, beta? We have calculated this value as a x. Okay, so first part is what? 36, because x is equal to what? 36. Now second part, that is 84 minus x. It means 84 minus 36. Okay, so 4 and 6, 14 and 6 will give you 8, and 7 and 3 will give you 48. So this is your first part and this is your second part. Okay, now we are taking the next question. Question number, and this was our question number 9. So now we are taking question number 10. Okay, a man is 7 times as old as his son. So here they are comparing a man and son. Okay, a man is 7 times as old as his son. Here they are comparing that person and his son. Okay, now the comparison is being done with the son. Okay, so in such question हमको क्या करना होता है, what we have to do, from that person or thing from which we are comparing, that part we have to assume it as a x. Let's take an example that x is having double the money of y. Now if I know the money of y, for example y is having rupees 10, then definitely x is having what? Rupees 20. Okay, so here comparison was being done with the y. So if the part of y I know, I can tell that I can tell certainly the part of x. Similarly, in this question, the comparison is being done with the son. So here I'm assuming it as a x. Then definitely the age, what it is, a man is 7 times old. Okay, so age of the man will be what? 7x. Okay, now let's move further in this question. If he is 56 year, now he is whom? That man. Okay, find the age of son. Now let's concentrate on this part. Okay, now the man, age of the man is 7x, and in years it is given as a 56. years. Okay, so if I say 56 years or I say 7x, both are similar. Okay, so I'm writing here 7x is equal to what? 56. Then x is equal to what? 56 upon 7. And here x will equal to the 8. 7 banja 7, 7 8 ja 56. Now when I'm having the value of x, okay, now x is what? Age of sun. Age of sun. Okay, so what is the age of sun? 8 years. So the age of sun is, I written it at, is 8 years. Okay, moving to the next question, that is question number 11 and 12. We will do in the class because they are my favorite question. Okay, I don't want to make video on that. We will discuss them in detail. Okay, so these question will be done in the class. Of course, rest of the question will also be done, but they will be done in the class. And once we will finish the all, we will finish this exercise, then I'll take these questions. Okay. Now, question number 14. Question number 14. Find three consecutive numbers. Okay. Now, the word is consecutive. Consecutive means one after other, and how continuously. For example, I'm saying 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Not it is like that 2, then 5, then 7, then 9. No. You have to take the next number in a series form, in a continuous form. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now they are saying in this question, find three consecutive number whose sum is 123. We are talking about three numbers. I don't know the single number only, that what which number is that. Okay, and when I don't know in the mathematics, it is x. Okay, so let the number be x. Okay, and this is not only a number, this is my first number. Okay, let me write, let the first number be x. Then the next number will be what? X plus 1. Then next number will be what? X plus 2. Okay, I will explain. Then second number will be x plus 1, and third number will be x plus 2. Now assume x as a 2. Okay, then it will be 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, then here 2. What you have assumed x as a 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So 2, 3, 4. They are continuous. Okay, so this is how it works. Now, as per the question, according to the question, the sum of these number is given. So let's add these numbers: x plus 1, x plus 2, and what is the sum? It is 123. Now x will be added with the x only. So we have 3x here and the number 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now send the 3 at the other side. 1, 2, 3 minus 3. This is 3x and it will become what? 120. Okay. And let's write here what we have got. X is equal to 40. Okay, this will be our first number. What was our first number? X. So I'm writing here directly first number, which was x. So this is 40. Then second number, that is x plus 1, that is 40 plus 1, which is equal to 41. And third number, that is x plus 2. I'm writing here directly 40 plus 2 will become 42. So these are our three numbers. Okay, let's move to the question number 15. Now the thing has changed here. In the previous question, we have seen only consecutive. Okay, but in this question and the question that we are having 16 also, we are having odd number. Okay, so this is consecutive even. I'm taking as a odd also. So whenever you are having consecutive even or consecutive odd, the series will become what? X, x plus 2, x plus 4. There will be the gap of 2. Okay, let's count even numbers. 2, 4, 6. What is the gap there? 2. Let's count odd number. 3, 5, 7. What is the gap there? 2. Okay, so in these question you have to assume the first number as a x, the way you have assumed in the previous question. But here you will not write plus 1 plus 2. Here you will take the gap of 2, like plus 2 plus 4 and then plus 6. Keep moving. Okay, now this is the explanation part I have taken here. Okay, now let's start the question. I'm taking, let the first number be x, then second number will be x plus 2, and third number will be x plus 4. Okay, so now we are taking according to the question. Okay, so x plus 2, x plus 4, and what is the sum? 1, 6, 8. Now we will add all the x again, and this is 3x, and 4 plus 2, 6. This is 168. So this is 3x, 168 minus 6 is equal to, then this is what? 162. Okay, 8 minus 6, 2, and 1, 6 as it is. Okay, now keep this x this side, and this is 162 upon 3 divided. 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12. So here you have got x is equal to what? Let me bold it. 54. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now we will find first number we have already got, that is 54, which is equal to x. Second number I'm writing directly answer, that is x plus 2, yani 54 plus 2 will give you 56. And the third number, that is what? X plus 4. It means 54 plus 4, that is 58, and this is our answer. Now question number 16. Okay, it is similar to that. I'm writing directly it, no explanation will be there. Let the first number be what? X, then second number will be x plus 2, and third number will be x plus 4. Okay, now this number will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4, 291. This will become what? 3x, and this is 6. This is 291. 3x, 291 minus 6. This is 3x. Okay, now we will subtract 291 minus 6. This will give me what? 1 and okay, sorry, this will give me 285. Okay, now this is x, 285 upon 3. 3 9 ja 27, and 3 5 ja 15. So here we have got x is equal to, I'm writing a little bit at this side. Okay, so x is equal to 95. Okay, now calculate the rest of the numbers by yourself. This is your homework. Next question, that is question number 17. Okay, question number 17. Three sides of a triangle is given. Okay, let's make a triangle first. This is our triangle, okay, and three sides are given. Let's assume this as a 2x minus 1, and this is 3x plus 2, and this as a x plus 9. और एक अच्छा सा नाम दे देते हैं इस ट्राइंगल को, that is ABC, okay, and they are talking if the perimeter of the triangle is 130. Okay, now what is the perimeter of the triangle? Sum of the all sides, okay, sum of all sides. So let's write here perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all sides. Okay, now this is what, let me write AB plus BC plus CA, and I'm writing it in a short now, perimeter of triangle A, B and C. Okay, now what is AB? 2x minus 1 plus what is BC? X plus 9, and AC is 3x plus 2. Okay, add 2x plus x, 3x, and 3x plus 3x, 6x. Then we will do the addition, 9 plus 2, that is 11. Okay, 11 minus 1 will give you 10. And what is the perimeter? This is given in the question, that is 130 meter. So instead of writing now perimeter of triangle ABC, I'm writing 130. Okay, and let's clear them. I have made them as an arrow. These are actually now will become is equal to. Okay, now shift that number 10 at this side. So this will become 130 minus 10 is equal to 6x. And this is 120, x will be there, and this is 6. So this is 6, 2 ja 12, and this is 20 is equal to x. Okay, now we have got the value of x. By the help of this, we can calculate the rest of the value. I'm doing it on the next side. Okay, next slide, sorry. So AB I have assumed as a 2x minus 1. Now what is the value of x here? 20. Okay, so here at the place of x we will write 20 minus 1, and this will become 40 minus 1, and your side is what, 39 meter. Okay, perimeter was in the meter, so side will also be in meter. Now next side I'm taking, that is BC, and that is x plus 9. Now again, what is the x? 20. So x plus 9, this is 29 meter. Okay, the last side is what? Let me see it from the figure. This is 3x plus 2. Okay, AC side. So AC is equal to 3x plus 2. So 3 into 20 plus 2. And this is 60 plus 2. This is 62 meter. Okay. These are the three sides of the triangle that we have calculated. Okay. So आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे. अगर एक बार में नहीं समझ में आते हैं तो दिस इज अ वीडियो, यू कैन पॉज एंड बैक चले जाइए, फिर से देखिए. नहीं समझ में आता है फिर से रिपीट करके देखिए. आई होप समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू. बाकी के क्वेश्चंस मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड कर दूंगा. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा लंबा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए इतना ही काफी है. वैसे भी काफी लंबी हो गई है. ओके, थैंक यू.